saber. Now, yes, it is easy. All you have to do is kill yourself. Yes, this is a scout. You did not pick up my fucking bat saber. This time I wanted you to pick up bat saber. It's so fucking cool. No. No one wants it. Clearly, there's a ghost trail. Okay. Fuck it. Okay, now, yes. I think other people have developed this before. Fucking shit, that was a good air thrust. Oh. Fuck. I fucked it up. I fucked it up. Oh yeah, you know how you survive from this with a normal rocket launcher? Just get those boots on and you're fine. Because now, since I got those boots on, I can do this. Oh fuck, I failed at it! You can see I can survive more hits without fucking dying. So that was actually a good way. Ah! Get the fuck away from me. Ah. Never mind. That's how we go that. Waddle. Ah! Ooh! Yeah, it's kind of is. Ah! At least I'm doing skill jumping. Ah! Ah! No, I hate spawn campers. They suck. Know what I'm gonna do. Oh, you suck more. Seriously, he does suck. Nobody likes me more than us fucking spawn camper. Oh, god dang it. Hey! Mate! That was very rude of you. By popping like that. That was very rude. Ah! Yeah, I gotta get used to the things. I can now do it in every server, of course, because it's now too easy. But yeah. Wow. Wow! Whoa! Get the fuck off me, Pyro. He's gonna try and actually fuck him. Even though that finished me off, I still don't give a shit. I might soon have a special thing. Oh my god! That was a 6.
Medic! I love the smell of a kicked ass in the morning.
backstab? I was worried there's a backstab. Oi, oi.
Queen's rules. After you.
You might want to get rid of that stupid spy before he causes any more problems, because if he doesn't, that's not ain't my problem. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, you can actually do it with every rocket launcher. I can even do it with the Calmex. It's weird, looks weird, but whatever. I wonder why they never picked a Calmex in the first place. Oh fuck. Oh, almost didn't hate her. Ah. Too slow. This is how fast I can go. It's freaking faster than anything I know. Okay. I'm gonna go to a corner. Wait, why did I just do that? Let me just go. Ah! Ah! Oh, I cannot do it like that. It's a little bit harder. Yeah, that's the spirit! Any few more guys wanna know this? This is just too freaking easy. Just equip those. I'll show you how much damage it will do without them on. Do you wanna know? Okay. Nice shotgun. Nice. Bang. Ah, oh, medic's charging. Oh, good. Okay, now wait for it. Jesus, could you imagine rocket jumping like that? Yeah, I could. Now, try, this thing on. Look how much better that is than the normal one. This is how they do rocket jumping. This is what this weapon's used for. Ow. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah. My soldier's kind of a freaking well done, but still. Now you can add extra things on, like a shotgun, but I don't add fire. I don't advise you rocket jumping like this with an actual rocket jumper. Maybe in different servers or something like that. Ah, fuck. That was my fault again. For retardedly jumping off the edge. Now, somehow, most of these guys are friendly, so I gotta be careful which one I kill. Ah! Nice try, bitch! Oh. Ah! Oh, Jesus. I'm shocked that is the actual scout. Oh. Ah. Whoa! That could have been a ramp slide. Who knew? Nah, that... Oh! Yeah. Okay, we now know it's unfriendly. A noob with a gibbous with a stupid glasses. Well, not really, but you know what I'm trying to say. One of my characters is finding use with the gibbous because I reckon it can go with my actual thing. And gibbuses, they should be a lot rarer than that. I reckon it's special in a way. Like, never delete your gibbous. You might have a use with it soon. But why? Just why does it have to? Ah! Oh fuck! That well, fuck, shit, damn it! Now, is there such thing as a strange gibbous? I was always wanting to know. Ah! Wow. Yeah. Now, this doesn't reduce your full damage. If you want to do that kind of stuff, then you must get the leather boots. The leather. I was tempted to get that, but it's too shit. Like, your rocket launcher does more fucking damage than your actual full damage. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm below on health. But I can cope. Ah! Baka! Ah! Ah! Now you can actually do that in any map. I can do it in any map. It's just the gravity is a lot lower in the other maps, so you're gonna find it a bit more trickier, but still. Sometimes in servers the gravity is so low in your rocket jump, it doesn't do for shit. Bang, bang, bang. Now I was planning to play some happy ones, but the pity is, how the fuck do I record that game? How the fuck do I record it? And plus the other games, not really that well. I'll show you how many rocket jumps I can actually do with airstrike, because I can actually do 8. And by some reckons the record is 10. Well, I'll show you how to do 8 in a second. Well, I better not rocket jump. Now. Holy fucking shit! This is really, yeah. I had this before, but still. Yeah, if I do this right, it might not actually kill me. Like, how the way people do it is... Wow, yeah, come here, noob! Yeah. Like, there's one pro thing I need to tell you about the parachute. You go this, you go bang, and then you gain speed. try. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Now, I'm gonna actually test what it's gonna be like with my rocket jumper. Even though if I have like killed a lot, yeah, whatever, blah blah blah. Bang. Holy shit, this is OP! Bang bang! That's how it goes, man! Ah! Like, I would test out of different weapons here. I'm gonna like test out the black box. Some people think you can't even jump the black box. Well, I can prove them wrong. Whoa. 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 Fucking shit. Black box is so OP. You don't even need this thing because instant you hit someone, it heals you up. Wow. I wonder what happens. If I can keep this, then it's a freaking. The freaking thing I want to.
Speed, you magnificent bastard.
Yeah, it heals you. So what's the good thing about a black box? Now, last but not least, for the thing is a cow mangler. Yo, the hardest one to jump with, huh? Oh, it's freaking OP, mate. Yeah, it's very OP. Jesus! You can rocket jump with anything. You could be the cow mangler star and go, hey bitches, oh wow, wow. Oh yeah, that I might have been focusing on the cow mangler too much. Okay, wait, I forgot one. Now, you can. This is similar to a direct hit, so I don't have to show you a direct hit, but freaking hell. Yep. This makes a good use. They all do. But why I picked the normal one is because it does the most damage. Plus, I'm planning to get an for that. Not this time, bitch. Oh god dang it! That ultra crit blast would have. That thing would have hit him. That's a bounce back. Let's like get into more detail. Ah! Yep. I wonder if I can actually rocket jump with. Oh my god. Just amount of. I was going to use the rocket jumper, but the pity is I couldn't really rocket jump them because they were so fucking hard. Look. Oh, bitch. That's it. Get the fuck out of our area. Demented bitch. Now let's see. Rocket jumper, it's so fucking OP. You have no damage to yourself, plus you can do this basically. Or well, it's not forever, but still, you know what I'm trying to say. Now, obviously, rocket jumping is really OP. I'm gonna test out how my weapon slots think. I didn't quite do it. Yeah, like something would happen. Now you can do it. You can do an 8 up. Yeah. I would try and do an 8. The best thing ever was a 10, but still. Maybe that's Bison Fear. Maybe the best is 100. Could there be any pro that can do it up to 100? Or is Bison a fan of a certain YouTuber who's pro at this game? Well, whatever. Just say it. God. Fuck. I have to pull out the fucking sword. I'm gonna have to go back to the hell station. Now, since I got 6, I can do 6 rocket jumps and have a possum kill it. The easiest way to do it. That's the easiest way to do this. I want to see what. Now, Buff Banner is actually the most interesting one. Oh! Yep, Cow Mangler is a good rocket jumper tool as well. Friggin' Black Box is the best. Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Now we're just gonna let's see. Oh fuck! Ah! Now skin weapons don't make the weapon different. I'm gonna actually check if there's a random thing. Well, there's way more than rocket jumping. I believe it or not, it's just like grenade jumping. Yeah, you can grenade jump with anything you want. Well, just like this. Yeah. It's so easy. You go bang! Yeah. That's obviously a good weapon. Now, believe it or not, I'm actually gonna do it this way. Now, the thing you can do with the normal one is a lot of fucking things. What type is it? And kaboomy. You can do that to your enemies. You can go bang, back. Yeah. Basically do air skills for these. Now I'm gonna change into this. There's not very much difference for these. Oh, Jesus. They do a lot of damage. Now you're thinking you're insane that you can't possibly jump with this shit on. Well, fucking damn it, man, I had to interrupt. Get the fuck off me. Oh, Jesus, I'm gonna bring a heavy in. Fuck you. Get off. We don't want you here. Okay. Jesus. Now, I had to deal with that, dude. Now you're thinking, you cannot possibly, jump with this on. Oh, wait, you can. Well, there's a possibility chance of doing this in a real server. I've done it before. Now, yes, it's one of the best kinds, you know. Lego jumping's a lot harder, but you can still obviously do it. Let me just. There we go. That's cannonball jumping. Now, first of all, you need to be at near some like little edge bit thing, and then you hold it down and jump, because this thing just smathers you to the edge. Yeah, it does a very good job of doing that. Oh fuck. Well, I'm gonna have to end the episode here for teaching you guys this. Yep. You can rocket jump with anything. And grenade jump. Now, oh yeah, okay. So this has been Dutch in Gaming. Please rate, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoy this episode.